Hi everyone, my name is Amanda and this is my first YouTube video blog series. Basically, I'm doing a series on what a consumer needs to know about the nail industry. Currently, I'm a student at IRCC in South Florida and I am almost done. I have a little bit less than 2 months. And basically, when my teacher was teaching me how salons clean and how many do and how many don't, it really scared me because what she told me is the big no-nos. I've had a person do that on me. Basically, I'm going to be talking about your rights, making an appointment, the products, and a little bit extra stuff in this video. Let's get to it. Your rights as a customer. You always have rights. You should always know what they're using on you. Always make an appointment. Because if you make an appointment, you will be able to have about 5 to 10 minutes with your nail technician. They're going to ask you what you want, you know, are you allergic? Do you have diabetes, heart disease? Have you had a stroke? You know, this is probably the most basic information you can give a nail technician, and they will ask you to write it down if they're a good one, because they just want to make sure they can give you the best service without endangering your health. Basically, why I always say make an appointment. Say if your nail salon you've been going to for years closed down, or the owner died and goes under new management, you know, always have, you know, if a nail salon goes under new management, you know, meet the new manager, you know, say hello, hi, see what new or extra services they've, you know, added. Also, if you make an appointment, you can wait 5 minutes before you go in and see how they clean, how they sanitize, and how they treat customers in the nail salon, because it's your right to know, you know, how good they are, how nice they are. Because I've been to a couple nail salons before I became a nail technician in school, you know, and I got treated pretty bad. I never went back. And there's not really a good site to find nail reviews or anything. There is a good site, you know, this is free advertisement for Tammy Taylor, because that's what I use. And she has a database of, you know, licensed nail technicians where you can find them, what salons they are at. They don't give out the home address on that website, but they do give the address of the salon. Let's see, what else? There's a lot of different places you can get your nails done. You can get at a full service spa or a nail salon. Nail salons may have more people to do more different nail stuff, like the wraps, the fiberglass, and the acrylics. So can the spas to have the same products, same, you know, services as well. Let's see. Now the products of the nails service. I'm kind of losing my voice, so bear with me. Always know what type of products they're using. It's very important, because there are illegal chemicals, there are illegal tools that cannot be used in the state of Florida, which I'm going to go over in a video in the future. But know what they're using. Always ask. If they're not willing to show you these products, or you see the products and the container is smeared very badly, don't get a service there. Usually they're putting illegal chemicals into bottles that is, you know, chemicals that's been approved by the, you know, USA that you can use here, so they can, you know, kind of skirt under the curtain and use the cheap stuff that's illegal. Basically, I'm trying to think. Basically, know know the products. Basically, that's what I'm saying, because you can have a allergic reaction. They can immediately go back and see what they use, and they can take care of it. Also, just when you are out trying to find a good spa, nail salon, just go wander around, do your research, ask around. Just don't get in a car one day and it's like, I want my nails done. Just go to the first place and not done any research. You can get infection, fungus. I'm not trying to paint a dark, picture, but a lot of the cheap nail salons do not clean correctly. That's how they can keep their costs down, because they don't have to buy a lot of chemicals to clean or anything. Also, always ask questions, always, because if you don't ask questions, it's okay. It's okay. Nail technicians, they are willing to share the answers with you. They're willing. If it's a good nail technician, they will want your business back. And also, when you have a nail service done, always schedule a next appointment with the nail technician. Always go to the same one. Always. That's very important, because I've been to different. The nail salon I used to first go to, I got shuffled around to 3 different people. I didn't like it. It was not fun. And their work, varied. Every nail technician has their own style, their own techniques and everything that they picked up through the years. For this first video, I'm pretty much done, with what I'm going to say tonight. I'm going to have my next video coming out pretty soon. I'm probably going to tape it tomorrow or later on tonight when I do a little more research on a certain topic. It's going to be how can you spot a dirty salon or spa. Basically, that video is going to be up in 2 days, 3. I just have to get some time and sit down and do it. Basically, if you want to leave me a comment, go ahead. I would be glad to get back to you. Emails are welcome. I know this is my first video, so if I'm rambling on and doesn't make sense, it's okay. My future videos will be better. So I wish you guys a good night and be safe and have a good time. Bye.